Hey, how are you guys? I'm making another short video and I'm gonna show you how to do the trick to get the steering wheel column lower so it sits more comfortable. So this is the lowest it goes now. So now I'm gonna show you how to get it, into a lower position. Wheel. And you see there's a little cover right here, right underneath the airlines that go to your handbrake. There are two bolts, 5/16 each. You gotta remove those and remove the cover. Alright, so now the cover is removed, and this is the famous piece that you have to remove with a flathead screwdriver. Remove this, replace the cover, and you should be good to go. Let's give it a try. Okay guys, so here's the conclusion of the video. This pin doesn't do anything. The one I had to remove is this one actually. They said it could be either one. Not true. It has to be this one, and it wasn't as easy as they said. It was stuck. So I had a chisel. I know it's not a steel chisel, it's a wood chisel, but it didn't work. A chisel with a hammer, couple hits, and it was out. Because with pliers, it wasn't that easy. So now you know. It's this one right here, the one on the edge. You want to see the difference? I'll show you now. If I push it back, this is where I'm sitting. This is as far as it goes. Alright, so now I pull it out. It's roughly like 5 inches. 1, 2, 3, yeah, it's like 4 to 5 inches. So there you go, that's the trick. I'll put it all back, and I got the steering wheel like this because I'm gonna change the steering wheel as well. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.